Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Groove. This is the first generation Groove 1 OG Groove speaker, wireless Bluetooth speaker. And you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. This is not going to work for the Groove 2 or any other kind of grooves. This is for the OG Groove. And you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker, like it's not connecting to your Bluetooth device, or it's not syncing or pairing, or it keeps disconnecting. A lot of stuff like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. You might also want to do this if you just want to delete everything off of it, all the pairing history, so that you can set it up basically like it's a brand new speaker just coming out of the box. This will do that for you. So all we need to do in order to perform this factory reset on the Groove 1 is just come over here to the power button and press and do a very long hold on the power button. If you hold it for 25 seconds, so you'll hold this and you'll count to 25 or 30 seconds on this speaker, this will factory reset it back to its out-of-the-box defaults, at which point you can go ahead and turn it on and set your speaker up like a brand new speaker.